When you first log on, you'll notice you go to a dashboard and you'll see some red warning messages. These are to ensure that firstly you set your account up correctly, and secondly it's a reminder that you need to import your MBM download file. So let's take a look at the settings first. On the settings page you'll see the username you selected, which you cannot change. The password you can only change by using the forgot password on the login screen. You can change your name to whatever you want, whenever you want. The payment email address is your Gumroad email address, and again you cannot change that because it must match what's on Gumroad. The contact email address, however, you can change to whatever you want. It will default to your Gumroad one, and this is the one that will be used to communicate with you. Next, you'll see the license key, which again you cannot change because Gumroad allocated that. The MBM username will be picked up automatically as soon as you run an import of your MBM download file, which we'll discuss in another video. You also have a choice of how you have times displayed on MBM. The default is the standard 12-hour format with an AM/PM indicator, but if you want, you can choose the 24-hour military format. And finally, you can choose which days of the week you want notifications sent to you with a random article for you to read or work on. By default, you'll receive this email on Fridays, but you can change this to any day you want, all days or even no days. When you're happy with your settings, click the Update Settings button, and if there are no errors, you'll see the success message at the top. And of course, you can change these settings whenever you want.